Hi, Roberta. All right, so this is a video about Blooket, and hopefully it'll be easy and and you'll feel really confident about it. But if it feels too much, honestly, it's okay too. I just think it'll actually be helpful for you because all the students love it. Even my eighth graders who don't really participate will participate in it. And once you see it, I think you'll find it's pretty easy. I just Google searched Blooket and click on it. And then it asks you to log in, but you don't actually need to sign up or have any sort of account or anything. You just click log in. And then I log in with Google, which, see, it went really fast because I've done it before. But if you go back real quick, click log in and then see right there where at the top it says log in with Google. So if you click that, then you can log in with your FWPS, just your Gmail. And then you don't need to put in any certain password or make an account. You can just log in with your email and it'll just get you right in. And then click Discover over here, and that's where you can search for all the free Blookets. So I was thinking you could do for the eighth grade Zoom, which is on Friday. I was thinking you could just do an SBA review, and I just put in SBA, ELA, and then, I mean, there's lots of different ones. I was just thinking this one, but really any of them I'm sure would be fine. So I clicked on it and then I click host and it'll open up this new tab. And see, there's lots of different modes you can choose from. The one the students seem to like the most is this crypto hack. So I just click that. And then over here, I click host game. And you really don't need to know how to play the game. The students already know they've done it many times and it also walks them through it. The only thing here you might want to know is how to choose how much time. It auto does 7 minutes. But for the eighth grade Zoom, when I'm gone, it's a really light week. And I think your Zoom's going to be pretty quick, just going through the very little they have to do that week. So you might want to bump this up to like 15 minutes or something. I'll leave that up to you, but you can put in whatever time you want. And then you just click host now. And then students can log in all these different ways up here. The easiest thing to do though is to click copy join link. And if you click that, it'll copy to your computer and you can paste the link right into the chat on Zoom and then students can get in that way. Um, they can also get in by going to this website and putting in these numbers or doing this URL, but I think it's just easiest to click the join link and then paste it into the chat and then they'll get in and you'll start seeing their names popping up here as they log in and then you just hit play. So if I go and I do that real quick just to show an example, here's what they would see. They can put in whatever they want for their nickname and then see for you it pops up. And then when you're ready, when you have as many in as you want, you just click start and the game will start. So I hope that it'll be pretty smooth and easy for you. But again, if this is just too much trouble and there's something else you want to do instead, feel free to do that instead. Okay, thanks so much again for covering for me. I appreciate it more than I can tell you. Thanks, Roberta.